to school week, back to school information that you need to know. Well, there's one place you can always go to learn more about science. So you have the Imagination Station. It's right at our fingertips. Luckily for me this morning, you all are joining us here. We have Jeff Stevenson with us, a scientist there. He's been there with the Imagination Station for 4 years, and we're talking this morning the Rocket Water Challenge.
Yes. So we have our Water Rocket Challenge coming up. So yeah, it's good for us to get some goggles on because we want some safety.
Yes.
And I'm going to give you the water, which is going to be our propellant that's going to end up launching our rocket. So I just need you to pour it into here. And you know, I like to put it about a third of the amount, but the important thing is that it's experimenting, right? Maybe you come, you try it halfway, you try it all the way, you try part of the way, but the important thing is that we're experimenting, so we're just going to keep going, maybe a little bit more, and this is going to be the propellant for our water rocket.
Okay.
All right? Now, really, it's kind of the mass that's being shot one direction. Newton's law says if we have mass shoot in one direction, we can shoot another mass the other direction. That's probably good. Okay. All right. So, but the real key is air pressure. So if you want to step around here,
will do.
I'm going to load up our rocket onto our device.
Now, before we go past this, by some chance, will kids be able to get their hands on this rocket to be able to help you launch it?
They'll be building their own rockets, and then they'll be launching their own rockets. So it'll be 100% them that's going to be doing it. The only thing we'll be here to do is basically what I'm doing right now, and that's to sort of direct it, and hopefully we don't hit anything that's too dangerous out there, all right?
I'm not taking any chances, as you see.
Exactly. All right, so go ahead, and I want you to give me 1 sec to make sure we have everything all set. I don't want it to prematurely go off. Perfect.
I don't want that either.
Yes, exactly. All right, so I've got a good grip on it.
Okay, so if you're hearing us this morning, go ahead and stop, watch, because this is what you're going to be able to do this weekend at the Imagination Station. I'm ready.
Start pressurizing. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm hearing the pressure. If you can push all the way down to that red line. Okay, that should be good. Okay. Hopefully, maybe one more pump, just to be safe. Okay. Are you ready? Take that cord.
I think so.
On the count of 3, you're going to pull it right back with you.
That was a little premature. I did not count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
What happened there?
That was sensitive. I want to say the string was a bit sensitive there.
It was equipment error. It was equipment error. It was equipment error. That's all it was.
That was a lot of fun.
Yes, and we can really get these things going. We're going to have a target in Festival Park. You can win prizes if you hit the target. So come down, build a rocket, line it up. You can do all this kind of aiming, trajectory, water pressure, air pressure, all that type of good science and engineering all happening all at once. And it's this weekend. And like I said before, it's free to do the challenge as long as you pay admission at the door.
Okay, so again, free to do this challenge. Just pay that admission at the door. When is this taking place this weekend? What hours?
Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday, it's going to be 10 to 4. Sunday, it's going to be noon to 4.
If you're looking for something to do, this is where you need to go. You need to head to the Imagination Station.
We're going to do this again. We may have to go to break right now, but we're not going to let you pull it so quickly.
Okay, no, this is how we'll end out here. We'll try it again at the end of the show. So you can't go anywhere just yet. Thank you for staying with us, because we are heading back inside. Once we come back from break, we'll be sitting back down with Partners in Education with Gary Corrigan to learn more about Parents University and all the volunteers and how you can volunteer and why it's so important. Do stay here on NBC 24 today.